Is your Chromecast not responding when you hit pause? Frustrated that the pause functionality just won't work? You are in the right place. Here is how to fix it quickly and get back to smooth streaming. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today, we are tackling a common issue, Chromecast pause functionality not working, and showing you simple solutions that actually work. Method 1. Check for firmware updates on Chromecast. When pause functionality is not working on Chromecast, make sure your system is up to date. System software updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements. To check for updates, head to Settings, then System, then About, then System Update. Download and install any available updates. Restart the Chromecast after updating. Method 2. Clear app cache. Next, you can clear app cache. To do that, head to Settings, then Apps, then See All Apps. Select the app that's not working. Here we are showing the method with this app. The steps are the same for all apps. Next, select Clear Cache. Make sure not to choose Clear Data as this will sign you out of your account. Method 3. Verify Wi-Fi connection. A weak or unstable Wi-Fi connection can cause issues with casting and playback controls. Ensure both your Chromecast and the casting device are connected to the same stable Wi-Fi network. If required, contact your service provider for help. Method 4. Try a different app. If the issue is isolated to a specific app, try casting from another app to see if the problem persists. This helps determine if the issue is with the app or the Chromecast itself. Method 5. Factory reset Chromecast. If all else fails, you can try factory resetting your Chromecast. This will erase all data and settings, so make sure to back up any important information before proceeding. To reset Chromecast to its factory defaults, hold the physical reset button until the light changes from blinking amber to solid white, then release to begin the reset. If the issue persists after performing all the steps, you can contact Google support and follow the instructions provided by the experts to fix the issue. And there you have it, the best methods to fix Chromecast when pause stops working. We hope one of these solutions worked for you. If this video helped, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Have a different fix that worked? Leave a comment below and help others resolve the same problem. Thanks for watching, and we will catch you in the next video on Silicophilic.